Hey guys, Scott, the boat guru again. I'm gonna sit here in the interior of this boat. I don't get to drive it today, but I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean the insides up. I'm gonna clean the screen with O&R. We're gonna do a wipe down on the dash. The O&R will clean all your buttons, your interior. You can do a wipe down on your plastics. It's all safe. We'll get that wiped down. We'll go to dry with our soft towel. You see we don't scratch the screens. We go back in, we wipe all our buttons down, our steering wheel. Then last but least, we'll grab our interior protectant. We'll spray it on our towel, and we'll go to wiping down all our vinyls. That way it's protected and clean. Keep it from breaking and dry rotting and cracking all in the sun. It's got UV protection. There we go. Stay tuned for our next segment.